Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. The time has finally come when finally gonna install the wheels on the Genesis. I hope, if they fit. If you don't know what I'm talking about when I'm saying like I hope that they fit, if you go back in my last video, check that out. My tires, I got a 40 series tire. Definitely completely looked over that the sidewall is 40% of the size of the tire in width. So I originally got the thinking that it was the tire that I have on my car right now, our 40 series, so I thought I was gonna get the same sidewall. I went with wider tires, so obviously the sidewall is gonna be taller. I didn't think about that. But anyways, they're gonna be super, super close, or they're gonna rub, or they're gonna tuck, and it's gonna look fucking mint. So I don't know if it's gonna work. That's what we're gonna find out right now. So I got the car sitting outside right now, and I just gotta move it in. Vane's gotta move his car, and let me move my car in so we can install these wheels. So let's get this going. Wish me luck. Let's go. Okay, and then I also wanted to show you guys the lug nuts I got. You guys can see them. I went with red. Alright, Epman. Some tuner lug nuts. I went with an open end lug nut. I thought they just looked a little bit cooler, and it matches the car, so hopefully they'll look pretty good on the bronze wheels. Okay, before I do drop the jack to lower this thing, the problem that I'm hoping we don't have, I hope that you guys can see this. Oh, the lighting is kind of bad, but there's a clip right here that connects the quarter panel to the bumper, and there's a clip and it's flush. So whenever this tire comes up, I mean, it's right there on the edge, and I'm thinking that might hit. I might have to maybe Dremel that down, cut it down a little bit if it does hit. But
Are you ready?
Let's lower this thing down. There you go.
Moment of truth, man. Just be gentle with her.
I think it might be a little bit higher right now because the other side isn't done yet either.
You're looking fucking good. Damn, son. Not rubbing, dude. Well, I mean, we're not driving it, so. But that is damn near flush.
Yeah.
Yeah, just that sidewall right here.
It's just a slight poke. Slight poke.
But that's a huge difference.
From the back, though, it looks pretty massive. Alrighty, back wheel is a success. I thought it was gonna go a lot lower, but I still need to put all the other 4 on first. I still need to put the other 3 on first to see what they're like. I'm gonna do the front right now and see if we have any issues. So let's get the front on. It's like it's on. It almost could go a little bit lower.
You and always going lower.
Low life, bro.
Yeah. I don't want to hear you bitch when you start rubbing. You can always go lower, bro. Yeah.
So the front are slightly poked. It's almost more flush.
It's
than
definitely
anything.
got a better flush feel than the rears do. The rears poke out a lot.
So here's the rear. And the other side.
So it's
So, like,
an inch on the front, 2 inches on the back as far as tire size?
It's about the same.
No.
I think it's about the same. Like if I were to get wheel spacers, I think we'd have about the same wheel gap. Really, I mean, like the wheel gap got a little bit smaller with the new tires, but it is definitely like night and day compared to the other side. That concave though, it's pretty sick.
On that rear?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side and then bring it outside the garage and show you guys a little bit better in the light. So let's get the other side done. Let's go. Alrighty guys, the wheels are on. We are actually going to drive around the block real quick and mount the camera to the side of the car and point it backwards to the back tire just to see if it rubs. There was no signs of rubbing, so I think we're good on that part. So now on to showing you guys how it looks. It looks freaking dope. God. Alrighty guys, there you go. I hope you guys liked the car. I think it turned out great. Thanks, Bane. Yeah, you like it?
Yeah,
I think it turned out pretty well, really. I mean, the back tires are a little bit bigger than what I wanted, but it definitely looks aggressive for sure. That concave in that back is nuts. But I like the front too. The red lug nuts I think were definitely a really good touch, and I think it changed the entire look of the car, and I think it turned out great. So Bane, thanks for helping me. I know it's hot as shit out here. Sweating our asses off right now, but if you guys like this video, I know I have to like it. I mean, if you guys like it, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Plenty more videos to come, and like always, keep it random. Peace.